Lego bin. No, I did not. Gosh darn it. Oh, please. I bet you pooped in the Lego bin. No, you should ask what's her face. I think her name was like Monkey Head or something. I don't know. It was Fiona. Fiona? Well, ask her. Maybe you should go to Antarctica and poop with the penguins because they're free to poop wherever they want. You know what? I don't poop like that. Mine's hard and crunchy. Mickey Mouse would be very disappointed in you.
What about Minnie Mouse?
Minnie Mouse would be Minnie Mouse would be very disappointed in you. Gosh darn it! Me and Minnie Mouse are sisters. Well, me and Mickey Mouse are brother and sister. Please. You know what? Hold on. You can't yell at me. You're not even my teacher. You're not my mother. You're not anything to me. So just stop talking to me. That was really rude. Don't give me that lip. What are you to me? Anyways, what gives you the right to yell at me? Like you're just sitting there chilling with those yellow blobs on your shirt. Calling them peeps. They don't look like peeps to me. Well, you know what they are. Have you seen peeps? Peeps? I'm not very religious. Why don't you look at... Oh my god, it's gone. What are you looking at to do with peeps? Did you know that, no. Stop making fun of Chubs.
Who is Chubs?
Chubs.
The little dolphin whale thing, whatever that is. I'm done stuff.
Penny, please, don't you ever feel like you're nothing. You are perfect. Please. Oh, don't say a word, just turn around and let me see. Let me see your hips swing. It's like, you got something special for me?
Wait, I want to try again. I love you. It's really not really gone. It means really gone.
Bye.
Bye. Mine's gone.
I do.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.